You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious word. I love this word. Yeah, I know. I don't know why, but yeah, it's confusing, but I love it. So let's hear how to pronounce it. The British English pronunciation is as artificer. The stress is on the first syllable. Artificer. Artificer. Now, the Americans say it slightly differently, and that gives us quite a few variations. The R in American English is pronounced R. Then they're going to use a flap T, so the artificer. Artificer. So they're going to use a flap T, that sounds like a D, and then rather than an E sound, RT, they're going to say artificer. Artificer. So you can say artificer, or artificer, or artificer. Several variations of the pronunciation in English, but all of those are correct and used, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.